My dear brother, my dear sister, have you ever noticed how the atmosphere changes when a funeral passes by? The streets go quiet, cars slow down, and even our conversations soften. For a brief moment, the world collectively remembers a truth we all share. Life is fragile and temporary. It's as if a quiet message echoes through the city, reminding us that we too will one day return. But soon the noise resumes, and we go back to our routines. Still, maybe your soul hasn't forgotten. There are moments when the heart feels something subtle, yet deep. A gentle tug, a soft whisper, as though something unseen is calling you to reflect. It may not come with words, but with a feeling that your chapter here is moving towards something greater. It's not a fear, it's a reminder. A nudge from the one who created you, inviting you to prepare your soul for the real destination. These feelings, though quiet, are sacred. They are gifts, not burdens. So tonight, let's pause the noise of the world and sit in stillness together. Let's reflect, not with fear, but with tenderness and trust. We'll explore 7 heartfelt signs that may be showing you the road back to your Lord. Each sign is not a conclusion, but a lantern, lighting the way with compassion. May these reflections soften our hearts, open our eyes, and lead us gently toward what truly matters. A sincere connection with our Creator and peace in this world and the next. Sign 1. A softening of the heart. Suddenly the Kirsten feels different. A verse you've heard 100 times now brings tears. You pause, reflect, cry. Even the breeze or a baby's laugh reminds you of Allah. This isn't random. It's not weakness. It's Det's Rahmah, mercy. Your heart is waking up. When that happens, run to your Lord. Sign 2. A deepening connection with prayer. You used to snooze through Fajr. Now your soul stirs before your body. You walk to wudu, not out of obligation but love. Sujood feels like home. That sip's not habit. It sips a gift. Allah is calling you to stand in front of Him while the world sleeps. Sign 3. Discomfort with useless talk. The gossip that once entertained you now feels like noise. You crave silence, sincerity, depth. Not because you're better than anyone, but because your soul is tired of distractions. It wants truth, meaning, and remembrance. That saps spiritual maturity. Sign 4. The urge to make things right. Old regrets resurface. The apology you never gave, the debt you ignored, the harsh word you regret, they weigh heavy. Don't run from it. It's Allah nudging you. Clean your heart before the final chapter. Even if they don't forgive you, Allah sees that you tried. Sign 5. The desire to reconnect with family. Out of nowhere, you think about someone you've cut ties with. Not anger, just a quiet push to reconnect. That sems not weakness, it sems divine mercy. Every effort to mend what was broken brings you closer to Allah. Even a single message can bring barakah into your life and afterlife. Sign 6. Constant reminders of death. Janazas feel closer now, not just of elders but classmates, neighbors, even friends. You start thinking, if I left today, what would I leave behind? It subts not morbid, it subts wakefulness. Your soul is packing its bags. Check your pockets. Are your prayers complete? Your debts repaid? Remember, death is not the end, it's the beginning. Sign 7. A gentle readiness to meet Allah. There may come a time when achievements feel small, not because they didn't matter, but because you see something greater ahead. You feel calm. Not sadness, but readiness. You're still enjoying life, but you know you're heading home. You are not afraid. You are hopeful. You are not giving up. You are graduating. If you recognize even one of these signs in your heart or life, don't turn away from it. These feelings are not random. They are gentle invitations from Allah to draw nearer to Him. Take a quiet moment tonight, just for you and your Lord. Stand for 2 extra rakahs, not out of obligation, but from longing. Let your hands give silently in charity, expecting no praise. Pick up the phone to hear your mother's dua, or simply speak to Allah with sincerity, even if all you say is, "I'm trying." Remember, He is Al-Wadud, the most loving, the one who embraces the hearts that return to Him, no matter how long they've been away. You are never too distant, never too late, and never too broken to come back. Allah doesn't need perfection. He loves effort, sincerity, and humility. Let your tears be a form of worship. Let your whisper be a step closer to divine mercy. Allah listens even to the cries you don't speak aloud. So, my dear one, prepare for Jannah with the same dedication people give to weddings, careers, and dreams. Plan for the hereafter with hope, not fear. And when the angel of death finally comes, may he find you with the Quran in your heart, forgiveness on your lips, and peace resting in your soul. May your journey end with a smile that reaches across the veil, welcomed by the one who has been waiting with mercy all along. Ameen. If this reminder touched your heart even a little, I invite you to join this journey with us. Subscribe to Wealth and Wisdom in Islam for more heart-softening reflections, du'as, and gentle reminders that bring us closer to our Creator. Inshallah. May Allah bless you with peace in your heart, light in your grave, and mercy that covers every step of your journey. May He guide us all to sincere tawbah, grant us a beautiful ending, and reunite us in the highest ranks of Jannah. Amin ya Rab. I love to hear from you. In the comments, write, Ya Allah, make my heart soft and my ending beautiful. Let's fill the space with dua, hope, and sincerity. Until next time, take care of your salah, your heart, and your soul. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.